Well, hello and welcome. I'm Laura Rubinstein here with Terza Ekholm, and we are excited because we're going to be sharing about using the power of your mailbox to grow your business. Hi, Terza.
Hey Laura, how are you?
I am so excited about our training that's coming up at the end of this month and will be available for replay to our Social Buzz Club members and others. But we're really going to dive deep into some things that are working now in business and turning marketing on its head. Would you agree?
Oh yes, this is going to be a fun seminar.
Yes. And so you and I were just talking about what is appreciation marketing. And
Mhm.
that's really the crux of our strategy that will be developing. And you said some really good things about it and how it differs from just traditional marketing, shall we say.
Yes, yes. So if businesses are used to doing just transactions, appreciation marketing is turning those sales into a relationship. And we do this by not always sending them an invoice and a coupon and this is about appreciating them for who they are, for being in your business, for coming into your business. Um, and for building the relationship over years because they keep coming back to you as a customer and refer all their friends.
We love that. And what you make me think of is it's thoughtful. And you really make an impression on somebody when you do something thoughtful for them and you show
Yes.
it in a tangible way.
Right.
It could be something you do in your business, but it could be something outside the business that they're like, oh my God, why would you even do that for me? And you just become more memorable, right?
Yes,
And
exactly.
and they think of you more frequently, especially if you're doing appreciation marketing as a regular, not a transactional one-time shot thing, right?
Right. Right,
So
exactly. Yeah.
we're going to cover a few very powerful things. We're going to give you a whole system to automate your thoughtfulness, first of all, because even though you can build a relationship with some tools, right? With some automation tools, it could take a lot of time and a lot of effort, or it could be really simple. And we want to show you the simple way, right?
Yes, exactly. And the automation just makes it so easy and wonderful. It's almost a set it and forget it. Well, it is a set it and forget it, but you spend a little bit of time up front thinking about what it is you want to do, just like when you think about an email campaign that you might be sending out. Here you think about what would you like your customer to experience from you, and you get that set up, and it's an automation, and it just goes out. And the cool thing, Laura, is it's so fun when I'm celebrating people's birthdays all over the place, and I get a call or a text message or even a little video that says, "Oh, you remembered!" And in the back of my mind, I'm going, "Oh, that's good. I'm glad it's automated because I didn't remember."
It's great. And then they're reminding you that you remembered. That's terrific. But basically it's about growing loyalty from your client base on purpose and really
Yes.
making that heartfelt connection and doing it consistently. So we'll have whole suggestions for you on that. And also the key in there is really putting time into those captivating messages that magnetize more business for you because you're building the relationship. And with a system, you can spend more time on the message versus saying, trying to write a thank you card each time and you're just writing thank you for your business and you're sending it in the mail. What if it was you had more time to think about the message
Right.
and really come from your heart? And that's one of the big things about automation I love, because you don't have to spend time finding the card, going to the store, or even opening up the generic cards you might have in your pantry here or your cabinet, your office supply cabinet, writing it out, finding their address, stamping it, stuffing it, putting it in the mail. Let's cut out like 90% of that work and focus on the message.
Right, right. And even if you hire a VA to do that, well, then you got to pay somebody to do that. Why pay somebody when you can get it automated?
Right.
So, and then the other thing I really want to talk about, Laura, well, we're going to talk about this later in our webinar, but it's the whole point of personalization and customization. I mean, why not make it easy? So we know about promotional products, they're fabulous, but it's kind of annoying to create a beautiful mug and then have to order 100 of them. Okay. And then you got to go package them just as you said. So we have access to a company that makes this easy, and we have a lot more than mugs.
And here's the cool thing about it. You don't just get a generic mug with your own, you can customize it, but then you can go one step further and personalize it. And we're going to tell you what the difference between that is. But if I could send you a mug with your name on it and my brand on it, now I'm building loyalty because I made you part of my community that way,
Yes,
right?
exactly. Oh, I like that, Laura. Community building. That's exactly
Yes,
right.
we're building a community of loyal clients. And if you want more information, come and join us at socialbuzzu.com or follow up with us at mailboxpowercards.com. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.